If you've been struggling to find healthy and fresh ginger at the market lately, you might be considering growing ginger at home. But wait, hold on. Don't start without seeing this essential tip that can make or break your crop. Keep watching to discover what you must know before you plant. First, choose the right ginger rhizome. Look for plump, firm roots with sprout buds. These are the best for planting. But here's the most important thing: ensure your ginger is organic or chemical-free. Non-organic ginger might contain harmful residues that can affect your health and crop growth. Plant your ginger in rich, well-draining soil. You can also grow it in a sack or containers. Water just enough to keep the soil moist but not soggy. Keep it in a warm, shaded spot and avoid direct, harsh sunlight. Too much sun can scorch the roots. Also, don't forget to mulch to retain moisture and prevent weeds. Expect to harvest in about 8 to 10 months, but patience is key. Avoid growing ginger in overly wet or poorly drained soil. It can rot quickly. And never grow ginger from non-organic, heavily treated roots, as they can hinder growth and even introduce toxins. Now that you know the secret, go ahead and grow your own ginger safely and successfully. Like, share and subscribe for more tips to grow healthy organic food right at home. Don't grow ginger without seeing this. Your health and harvest will thank you.